In this video, I will show you how to apply for Starbucks jobs online. So to do this, just open up a browser and gonna type in Starbucks careers. And then click on the first link from Starbucks themselves. So the link is careers.starbucks.com. And then here you can enter a job title or keyword and or a location. So I recommend at least filtering by the location. And then just gonna click search. And then if there are any jobs near you, you will see them right here. So in this case, in New York, there are 572 open jobs. So you can just find a job near you using the map right here. For example, you can just zoom in like this. And then if you click on a specific circle, you will see the jobs that are open there. For example, the shift supervisor one. And if you then click on that, you will then see the details such as the benefits, qualifications, knowledge and skills, etc. If you want to go and apply, just click on apply now. Then from here, if you already have an account, you can just continue with your account. If you don't, click on sign up. Then you need to read and agree to the privacy policy, and then just gonna sign up using Google or email, and then just gonna answer all of the questions, and then they will reach out to you. So that's how to apply for a Starbucks job online. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.